Hi everyone. Welcome to Speak and Shine with Marwa. Have you ever started talking in English and suddenly run out of things to say? Maybe you felt awkward or the conversation just stopped. Today I'm going to show you how to almost never run out of words and keep your conversations flowing naturally from start to finish. Stay with me, and you'll learn strategies you can use today in real conversations. Many learners face the same problem. They start talking about a topic, maybe about movies, music, or their day, and after a few sentences, the conversation just stops. You might hear something like, "I like movies." Oh, it feels awkward, right? But it's normal. The key is knowing how to expand your conversation naturally and keep your listener engaged. The first step is to ask open questions. Open questions cannot be answered with just yes or no. They make the other person share more, and that gives you more to talk about. For example, instead of asking, "Do you like movies?" you can ask, "What kind of movies do you enjoy and why?" This gives the person a chance to explain, and you can respond with your own opinion or a related story. When someone answers, always expand the topic. Don't just nod and stay silent. If your friend says, "I like hiking," you can say, "That's great. I went hiking last summer in the mountains, and it was amazing because the views were incredible and the air was so fresh." Have you ever been to high mountains? See how one answer leads to another question and keeps the conversation alive? This is the trick that most learners forget. Another important point is to share personal stories. Talking about yourself naturally makes the conversation interesting. For example, if the topic is travel, you can say, "I visited Italy last year. The food, culture, and people were amazing. One experience that stood out was when I tried cooking with a local chef. It was unforgettable." Short personal stories are powerful because they give context, emotions, and make your conversation real. Finding common interests is also very effective. Look for things you both enjoy, like sports, music, movies, books, or hobbies. If you discover a shared interest, ask more about it. For example, "You like hiking too? Where do you usually go?" Or, "I also love jazz music. Who's your favorite artist?" This creates a natural flow where both of you contribute equally. Now, let's talk about some advanced tips that make your conversation smoother. Your body language and tone of voice are important. Smile, make eye contact, and show that you are interested. You can also use simple phrases to encourage the other person to continue talking. For instance, say, "That's interesting. Can you tell me more?" or I understand. In my experience, these short phrases help you guide the conversation without interrupting. Practice is the key to becoming confident. Even 5 minutes of speaking every day can make a huge difference. Start with short conversations with friends, classmates, or even yourself. Describe your day, talk about your favorite movie, or tell a small story. Gradually, your sentences will flow faster, and your vocabulary will expand naturally. Remember, the goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to keep the conversation alive, show interest, and connect with the other person. Even small efforts make you a better speaker. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. You'll notice that conversations that once felt hard will now feel easy and enjoyable. Let's quickly review. Ask open questions. Expand the topic. Share personal stories. Find common interests. Use your voice and body language to show interest. These are the strategies that will help you never run out of things to say in English conversations. Thank you for watching Speak and Shine with Marwa. Keep speaking, keep shining. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you become. See you next time.